Welcome viewer. Are you aspiring to join the prestigious Government Polytechnic, Nashik for Computer Technology? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will break down the crucial cutoff percentages for CAP Round 1 admissions for the academic year 2024-25. We'll cover both students from within Nashik district and those applying from elsewhere. Let's dive in. Here we have the detailed cutoff list for the branch code 5010251110 Computer Technology at Government Polytechnic, Nashik. This data is categorized by home district seats and other than home district seats, further divided into non-technical and technical seats allotted to respective candidates. We also have information for state-level seats. Let's first look at the home district seats allocated to students from the Nashik district. For the home district non-technical seats allotted to home district candidates. For the NGOPENH category, General, the Stage 1 cutoff was at a merit number of 866 with 95.20%. The NGSCH category, Scheduled Caste, had a cutoff of 5,393 with 91.80%. For NGSTH, Scheduled Tribe, the cutoff was 10,483 with 89.80%. The NGNTAH category, NTA, had a cutoff of 1972 with 93.83%. NGNTBH, NTB, saw a cutoff at 6,390 with 91.40%. For NGNTCH, NTC, the cutoff was 2022 at 93.80%. The NGNTDH category, NTD, had a cutoff of 1019 with 95.00%. NGOBCH, OBC, had a cutoff of 1037 with 95%. NGSEBCH, SEBC, closed at 3538 with 92.80%. In the ladies categories, NLOPENH, General Ladies, had a cutoff of 379 with 96.40%. NLSCH, SC Ladies, closed at 1307 with 94.60%. For NLSTH, ST Ladies, the cutoff was 8068 at 90.80%. NLOBCH, OBC Ladies, had a cutoff of 923 with 95.20%. NLSEBCH, SEBC Ladies, closed at 3,516 with 92.80%. For PWDOPENH, PWD General, the cutoff was 57,874 at 77.40%. Finally, PWDRORCH, PWD Orthopedic, had a cutoff of 103,947 at 62.50%. Now, let's examine the home district technical seats allotted to home district technical candidates. The TGOPENH, General Technical, cutoff was 79 with 98.00%. TGSTH, ST Technical, had a cutoff of 11,740 with 89.40%. For TGSEBCH, SEBC Technical, the cutoff was 29,696 at 84.40%. TLOPENH, General Ladies Technical, had a cutoff of 2,142 with 93.80%. TLOBCH, OBC Ladies Technical, had a Stage 1 cutoff of 4,528 at 92.20%. Finally, TLNTDH, NTD Ladies Technical, had Stage 2 cutoff of 22,746 at 86.20%. Continuing with other than home district non-technical seats allotted to other than home district candidates. For the NGOPENO category, General, the Stage 1 cutoff was at a merit number of 308 with 96.60%. The NGSCO category, Scheduled Caste, had a cutoff of 4,932 with 92.00%. For NGSTO, Scheduled Tribe, the cutoff was 1417 at 94.40%. The NGNTAO category, NTA, had a cutoff of 2,830 with 93.20%. NGOBCO, OBC, saw a cutoff at 528 with 95.80%. NGSEBCO, SEBC, closed at 506 with 96.00%. In the ladies categories, NLOPENO, General Ladies, had a cutoff of 233 at 96.80%. NLNTCO, NTC Ladies, had a cutoff of 9,729 with 90.20%. NLOBCO, OBC Ladies, had a cutoff of 413 at 96.20%. Finally, NLSEBCO, SEBC ladies had a cutoff of 1478 at 94.40%. Now, let's move on to the other than home district technical seats allotted to other than home district technical candidates. The TGOPENO category, General Technical, had a cutoff of 1433 with 94.40%. TGOBCO, OBC Technical, had a cutoff of 2350 with 93.60%. Finally, let's look at the state-level seats. The Defense category, Defense Personnel, had a cutoff of 664 with 95.60% and DEFR OBCS, Defense OBC, had a cutoff of 3963 with 92.60%. The EWS category, Economically Weaker Section, had a cutoff of 2886 with 93.20%. For the TFWS category, Tuition Fee Waiver Scheme, the cutoff was 311 with 96.60%. The Orphan category had a cutoff of 1112 with 94.80%. So, we've now covered the CAP Round 1 cutoff percentages for computer technology at Government Polytechnic, Nashik for a wide range of categories, including home district, other than home district, and state-level seats. Please refer to the official source for clarification. Remember that these are the cutoffs for the first round, and subsequent rounds may have different figures. We hope this detailed information is helpful in your admission process. For the most accurate and current details, please refer to the official website DTA for Post-SSC Diploma in Engineering and Technology. We wish you the very best in your applications.